Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is a pre-labor vlog. I don't know, I'm not sure I'll be able to vlog in the hospital or it's allowed. I don't even want them to embarrass me, things here are done differently and I'm not ready. I don't think they will allow me. One minute. I've been feeling this severe pain like since morning. I woke up and my stomach was so hard, so I went to the toilet. I see that every other minute I'll be feeling pains at my lower abdomen, and the next thing I have the urge to use the toilet. And then after that, so I just tried to like go to the market with my sister because I needed to shop some groceries for the house. So I had to like go to the market with her like that. When the thing holds me, I just take a pause and pretend to be moving slowly. So, and then after a while, I came back from the market. So I went to the toilet, and then I decided to like check myself. I see that I had some brownish things coming out from me, if you understand. So I called the hospital and they are telling me to come straight away now. Like they asked me to come like an hour ago, but I needed to cook, do some other things in the house, and then see how I just don't know how I'm going to do it, but I just believe God will sort things out for me, because now I don't know where I'm going to keep baby Praise. I don't know if the hospital will allow me, but whatever, there's nowhere to keep her because all of a sudden neighbor is giving attitude. Keep it there first. Neighbor is giving attitude. The woman I used to look after her own kids, and I don't know what happened, whatever happened, she's giving attitude, and I will not, Praise went there the other day. She sent her away. She went there to play with her kids and the woman sent her away. So what? The woman sent her away, and so I don't know, and she's not been letting her kids come here. So I'll just have to, and the other place I wanted to keep Praise. In fact, I don't even want to go there, so I'll just take her. We might take her to the hospital with us. But right now, what I want to do is just make sure that I eat first, and I grab the hospital bag, check them thoroughly, and pick the most essential thing. And then later, my sister will join me. Please, you people should help. Let me do this thing. Later, my sister will join me, and because I don't have a car and I don't have anybody that have a car around here that can help me, and I don't know if my landlord's car is in good shape. I wouldn't want to just bother anyone. The best thing for me to do, since it's daytime and I still have strength to walk, the contraction are not that regular. They're like 10 minutes apart. So it means anywhere I feel pain, I will just stop. So I'll have to go on my own, find my way to the hospital. Just an update, guys. Pardon my hair, guys. I was warned at the hospital, no, they don't want fancy hair, they don't want anything fancy when I'm coming. So my sister just did this for me some days ago. It's already rough, I know. Guys, today made me exactly 39 weeks according to the app I'm using. 39 weeks. Today is Friday, and my due date, the first date they gave me was 10th of September. The second one said 16, that's scan, and then the third one said 21st. So I am, I don't know. So I'll just go ahead. Look at me, fam. So and these are, let me show you the things I want to take the bath. Is it? No, she will not enter. Cut her off. can stay. This towel. This is so little. Hi guys, quick updates. You know, I've said in the house that I was going to like update you guys about my progress. I'm feeling this, I don't know if I should say few second, a kind of 1 second kind of contraction or something, severe pain at my lower abdomen. And when each time I go to the bathroom to check, I see that I have that brownish discharge. So, and they get so painful that I don't know if it's actual, if it's time for me to go to the hospital or not. I've been watching series of videos when to go to the hospital. I've read a lot. But I think at this point we have bag ready and all of that, but I just told my sister to hold on at home. Let me go to the hospital alone. Maybe I'll check and then they will be able to tell me how many centimeter diluted I am. That way to make it easy for all of us, so we don't have to go to the hospital with bags and then be sent back, and everyone in the neighborhood will start knowing. Already everyone is looking at me like a suspect. Like I'm owing them money. Oh my god. My landlord now practically stays at his wife's shops anytime he's at home and be looking at me. His wife are like, I want to outsmart these people, guys. Hey, I look like a leper. Look at me walking on a bushy road. I don't want to take a bike. Like I just want to like stroll. They will think it's my usual stroll walking routine. Oh god, look at me. For those of you that have been saying, Lily, what happened to you? You look different. Guys, I have been a laborer. I'll update you guys later. Let me continue going. Yeah, I'm now at the hospital. Oh my god. From the last time I talked to you guys till now, I have felt just twice of those painful, like extremely painful contractions, like that last less than a second. Hey, who does that? So let me go find out, so I'll get back to you guys. This is back. I'm here already at they just checked me and they said they'll give an update. Guys, pray for me. I was told that I wasn't going back home, that I should stay, and because my sister is not familiar with this place, I want to go home. I told them to let me go home since the contraction are not that painful yet, that regular, so I should be allowed to go home so I could pick up my things and then get to make my sister know here. Guys, at this point I think I'm having a change of mind. It's as if I don't want to born this baby again. There are women in there at the labor hall screaming. Jesus, like it's so bad that I'm feeling so down emotionally. How are people surviving? People work there. Really? Jesus, like one of the women there is screaming, oh my God. But thankfully, you know what, she gave birth right in my presence before I left the hall. Oh my God, it's as if I want my days postponed at this point, because the reality is it has set in. Those contractions comes and go, so I'll just go home, get my things, and then get my sister to know here, then she go back home and stay with Praise. I think from the way I see them do, it's something I'm going to be able to cope till during the day, so that I'm worried about my Praise as well, because I wouldn't want her to be at home to be uncomfortable whatsoever. So guys, I wanted to say pray for me, but I forgot that before you see this video, the baby is here. Oh my God, look at me, looking like the real laborer. Jesus. The contraction pain is not much, doesn't last long for me. Guys, I came back and I've been admitted. This is the bed. I'm having those 5 minutes interval contraction and they're so painful. I just want to go to the toilet once I feed them. Guys, the baby came at about 3:54 p.m. AM, 3:54 a.m. Nigerian time, and she'll be joining me because I had tear, so they kept her out to clean her up so they can fix me up and all that. But the midwife is bringing her now to me. Guys, these people are so good. They are so hospitable, because I came alone. Nobody came with me because I didn't want to leave Praise at home all alone. Because I didn't want to leave baby Praise at home all alone, so I made the sacrifice to come alone. You guys, I'm your mommy, okay? Alright? She wouldn't talk to me. She's been crying. Oh my gosh, she's been crying. Girl? Lily, I won't talk to you, right? Oh, guys, thank you all, okay? We'll continue the vlog tomorrow. Let me get to work. I think I have a real job, because this girl here been crying, and I think she eats a lot, so because I ate so much. I need to get to work. Duty call. See you guys tomorrow when baby Praise comes over. Good morning, guys. This is the following. This is 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. I gave birth around 3:54. So Praise is here and I can't wait to see her reactions. Let me go get them outside. Baby sleep. They are here. Hi Praise. Hey Praise. Praise, how are you? Now we're here. Alona. Where come? Unfortunately, they did not allow Praise in here, and my sister, they said they don't allow kids in here. I totally understand. So Praise just, I showed her a picture. I've asked them to sit outside. Hopefully they transferred me from here to the labor ward, like the inline ward. From the inline ward from here to, so that I can so that Praise can have access to her sister. Thank you guys for all the love already. Thank you. I don't joke with. Thank you. So I went to plead with the head midwife, the matron, and she has agreed that they should come. I explained Praise's condition to them, and she has said, okay, they can come in. So I can't wait to see how Praise reacts when she sees her sister. Oh my god, so hard. I want to. They brought me some food to eat. Hope I'll be able to eat it. A whole me that love food. This video quality is gonna be one of the worst. This is not luxury. Okay, you have to help me manage it. Yeah, Praise. Praise, that's your sister. Have you seen her? Don't mommy. Oh. Stanno. Hello, come on. Are you happy? Oh. Are you happy? Good. Hey, Ata.
Why you are so tiny?
Eh?
Why you are so...
No, I'll make a piramata. Hey, just sit. Okay. No, don't worry, sit.
If I see no picture.
Eh? Are you happy? Do you like her?
Yes.
Do you love her?
Yes.
Are you going to take care of her? Okay. So just sit there. Sit calm, okay? I'll make it. Need a bend of your mouth. Don't let my start. Don't my baby. Those are hands. So guys, we are leaving the hospital, and this is Madam Praise. Madam Praise. So we are leaving the hospital. So that's the baby, and this is, I think we should end this vlog here, okay? We end it here. We'll continue another time. I am stressed. You can see from my face. I've not slept for days. All right, guys. More updates. Bye.